Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making teriyaki baked salmon. This is a delicious and easy recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by making the teriyaki marinade for the salmon. In my bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Into that, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger, and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Go ahead and mix everything together, and that's it for your teriyaki sauce. I'm using 3 pounds of salmon. I'm going to pour the teriyaki marinade all over the salmon, then let the salmon marinate for 1 hour. Once the salmon has marinated for 1 hour, you're going to preheat your oven to broil. Then place the salmon into the oven to broil for 15 minutes. This is what the salmon looks like when it's done baking. I'm pouring the teriyaki sauce from the baking pan all over the salmon. This recipe goes really well with white rice, so make sure you have that available. The salmon came out very flavorful, juicy, and tender. If you guys would like to make this delicious teriyaki salmon recipe, make sure you check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.